In this video, we are going to see the different ways to use a view. A view is a list of items present in the application. There is 3 different kind of views. The general view that display all the items present in one object. Pre-filtered views like a view of all your project with an ongoing status. Custom view where you can create and filter the informations to match a specific need. To see those different views, you can click on the shortcuts from the homepage, or select them from the left side main menu. A view is recognizable thanks to this pictogram. As an example for this video, we are going to use the All Projects view. All the functionalities presented on this example can be applied to all the other views of the application. You can see here a list of all the other different projects. The buttons on the bottom left-hand side corner allows you to navigate between all the pages of the view. On the right side, you have the total amount of projects added in the solution. As seen on the previous video, you have a button that allows you to create a new project. And if you click on one of the name of the projects in blue, you can access this specific project. This view is sorted by title. This is the default sorting implemented on this view. You can change it whenever you want. For example, if you want the project sorted by start date, you can click on the name of the field. The little arrow next to the label of the field indicate that this column is the one used as a filter and the directions, ascending or descending order. You can also enlarge the fields to show more informations. Another functionality is the filter option. You just need to click on the funnel-shaped icon to show the filters available. After you set parameters for the filter and click on the filter button, the view is set to only show the informations that match the filter applied. Depending on the field's type, the filter can be different: text, checkboxes, radio button, date, number. You can apply as many filters as you want at the same time. There is 2 ways to clear a filter. You can go back to the filter option and click on Clear. This option requires you to go on each filter individually to clear them. You can also use the crossed funnel-shaped button on the top right-hand corner. This button allows you to clear all filter at once. Another way to filter the view is to use the grid search bar. This search bar will apply a filter to all the text columns of the view, according to the keys word typed down. To clear the filter, you can either use the crossed funnel-shaped button, or erase the keywords. Last functionality, the Excel export. This allows you to generate an Excel file with all the informations of the view currently on screen. All the filters currently applied will be reproduced in the Excel export. These functionalities are available on all the views of the application.